like I will show you my project Salon booking system and how it's working. So this is my code index.html file, and this is my app.py and other files here. Okay, it is like very amazing. It's running on this link. Okay, I open this link here, and here is it. You can check. You can give the text input. Okay, as it is. The AI will respond in like in your audio format, and audio will be saving here. Okay, so I am removing my headphone to like show you how audio is working. Okay, okay, so now we will give a command in mic. Okay, by microphone. Hello AI, can you book a haircut for me?
I can help with that. Please provide your name, desired date, White Nian, and service needed, haircut, coloring, etc. Or say cancel to abort.
Okay, just book a date on 2025 month April and 5th of April. Can you book it? Okay, I haven't opened. Can you book it for 5th of April 2025?
I can help with that. Please provide your name, desired date, YIYMMDD, and service needed, haircut, coloring, etc. Or say cancel to abort.
Okay, cancel.
Booking canceled. How else can I help you?
Nothing. I just do not need your help.
I'm the salon assistant. I can help with booking appointments or answering questions about our services, hours, and pricing. How can I help you today?
Cancel.
Our policy, 24-hour cancellation policy.
Okay, it's like you are very nice assistant. I am closing you down. Okay, guys.
I'm the salon assistant. I can help with booking appointments or answering questions about our
So
services,
guys,
hours,
this
and
was my
pricing.
like
How can I help you today?
full tool which is working fine. I will integrate it with Airtable or Google Calendar to book that meeting in directly in Google Calendar. And if you guys want to learn this type of making of this type of tool, you can like call me or you can comment. I want to learn. We will connect. We have a community in WhatsApp, and we will be like having conversation frequently. So guys, अगर आप भी ऐसा बनाना चाहते हैं तो टेक्नो थिंकर्स को देखते रहिए. Thank you guys.